What's up, y'all? It is the Jacksons. I am Mo.
And this is Brittany.
And where is Zayden? Zayden? Zayden, say hi, y'all. Come on, say hi, y'all. Wave to the camera. Wave to the camera. Hello.
Say hi to the camera. Wave to the camera. Look at the camera.
Hello. Hello. Say hi, y'all. Say hi, y'all. Say hi, y'all. Yeah, so listen, we are here at the beach. We giving y'all a beach vlog today. What you want to say?
Oh, we coming with all the bangers. All the bangers.
We'll be right back, y'all. Hey, y'all. Look, we recording the whole day. We gonna give y'all a full day vlog. We coming through. Let me get my guy. Hold on. What you want to say?
Y'all heard him. Y'all heard him. What's up?
My man said, but we coming, y'all. I'm telling you. How you like the sand, bud? Come on, let's go to the water. That's right.
You like to play in dirt?
Uh-huh. Hey, y'all. This is... Look. I got this fucking strap around my neck, but look. This is Zayden's first time at the beach. And yeah. Can y'all tell me whether he love it or not? You tell me.
Yeah, cause he dirty as shit.
Don't play with my
He
child.
like dirt.
Come on, bud. Let's go.
The time when he could really play in dirt. Good job. Alright, come on, let's
Say what's up to the vlog, baby. Hi, Finn.
record.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, y'all see me when I watch.
Come on. Say what's up to my vlog. Thank you. That's my girl. Girl, you can't catch, girl. You can't catch.
And can. Like, why is moving? Smell your feet. Their feet stink.
Hey, cheese. Cheese, come on.
For my family.
Be careful.